English vocabulary: home and kitchen. Apron, ashtray, baking tray, bathtub, bed, belt, beanbag, blender, book, bottle opener, bowl, broom, bucket, cake slicer, can opener, casserole dish, ceiling fan, chair, chopping board, cleaver, clock, coffee pot, colander, comb, cooking range, curtain, cushion, cutlery, drip fire, dishwasher, door, door handle, dress, fan, fire extinguisher, fireplace, fruit processor, fridge, fruit bowl, frying pan, funnel, garlic ash, gas stove, glass, hair dryer, hammer, headphone, ice cream scope, ice tray, jar, jug, kettle, key, kitchen cupboard, kitchen sink, knife, ladle, lamp, laptop, light bulb, light switch, matches, microwave, mirror, mop, mug, napkin, nasket, soap, olive oil, oven glove, paper towel, pen, pillow, plant, plate, plug, potato masher, purse, rice cooker, ring, rolling pin, rubbish bin, ruler, safety pin, salad spinner, salt mill, sandal, screwdriver, shirt, shower, socks, spice rack, spoons, spoon, stair, stool, strainer, sugar, suitcase, sunglass, table, tap, tea bag, teacup, teapot, teddy bear, telephone, television, toaster, toilet, tongs, toothbrush, toothpaste, torch, towel, vacuum cleaner, vegetable peeler, waffle maker, wallet, wardrobes,